Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle content. If you like more of these videos, kindly please subscribe down below and turn on your bells so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks and hacks on everything lifestyle. So let's get into the video. It's a simple video, so let's get into it. So let me introduce you to the tools that you're going to use. I use two eye pencils. This is a black eye pencil and this is a brown eye pencil. So they're both Davis eye pencil. They are as sharp as they could get for now. So I'm going to use three kind of brushes. I'm going to use this kind of a brush, this brush for cleaning my eyebrows, and this one for blending the eyebrows. I'm going to use this concealer. It's 2 shades lighter than my shade. Then we are going to use this foundation, exactly my shade. And of course, if you see me looking down, I'm looking at the mirror. So this is our mirror. So let's begin by cleaning our eyebrows. They are a bit oily because I've just done a skincare routine. I'll be sure to leave a video of that down in the description box. So these are the state of my eyebrows. They're not the same, as you could tell. They're not the same. I've also cleaned my eyebrows. I've actually not cleaned. I've shaved. I've shaved my eyebrows, and I'll also leave a link to how I shave my eyebrows down in the description box. So that is how they're looking. They are not of the same shape as you could see, but let's get them revamped. So I'll just use a piece of cotton to just clean.